Caviar Royal Gift, Smartphone of the Future, 2020. Two multi-color displays, main and secondary. Secondary display disconnects. Can be a screen for watching videos. While you're chatting, you can transform your smartphone into a tablet. You can transform your smartphone into a netbook. You can connect secondary screens of different smartphones into a single device. 2022. The cellular battery structure makes the body flexible. You can give your smartphone any shape you like. 2025. The artificial intelligence will allow changing the smartphone's appearance through built-in LEDs according to your preferences, change of seasons, weather unpredictability, relevance of events, latest fashion trends. 2027. Nanotechnologies will allow you feeling true tactile pleasure of the interaction with your smartphone. The smartphone ergonomics will enter a new level. It will take the form of your hand for the most comfortable use. Stay firmly on any surface. 2029. You won't need to charge your smartphone anymore. The battery will be replenished by the sunlight. Repair scratches and cracks by its own. Changes can't be stopped. Welcome to the new decade.